Hello students. Students, today we will discuss about the fifth number conjunction word in the 8th class. And today's conjunction word is so that. So to understand the use of so that, we have to look the structure of sentence that we have in the question. So a question may be started with a noun or pronoun, but that particular noun or pronoun must be subjective case. So in the beginning of the sentence we have a subjective case noun or pronoun. After subject we have a verb, and after verb we have an adjective, otherwise an adverb. After adjective or adverb, we have a preposition, that is to, and after preposition, we have member first form. After member first form, what we have in question, it doesn't matter. Now, we use so or that in the answer. So start your answer with same subjective case noun or pronoun that you have in the question. Then use the same form of verb that you have in the question, but before using adjective or adverb, you have to write so. Before using adjective, otherwise adverb, you have to write so. If there is a to just after adjective or adverb, then replace to by that. Here is a condition: if to has been replaced by that, then it is necessary that we write a subjective case pronoun. If we have written that by replacing to, then it is necessary that we use a subjective case pronoun. So, from where we can get a subjective case pronoun? See the subject of that part in which we have used so. If it is a masculine gender, then use here he. If it is a feminine gender, then use here she. If it is a plural noun, then use they. If here we have already a pronoun such as I, we, you, such case of pronoun if already is given in the beginning of the question, then use the same pronoun case here after the that. Now, after using the subjective case pronoun, we have to write verb. But this verb must be in the form of modal. This verb must be in the form of modal. So, which modal we can use? Here we can use modal according to the tense. We can use a model of present tense. We can use a model of past tense, and we can use a model of future tense. It depends the sentence tense that is given before the that. If this given verb is in present, then use present tense model. It means can, otherwise may. If it is present tense verb, then use can, otherwise may. If this verb is in past tense, then use past tense modal. It is could. And if the given verb presents to future tense, so use future modal, which represents, otherwise described by will or shall. Now, it is the rule, if a model is given in the sentence, so after model we can use only a main verb. After a model we can use a main verb, and this main verb must be in the form of first form. Okay. After what we have in the question, right, in the same form. So this is the structure of the sentence that we have after using so or that. After that we use a subjective case pronoun. How we get subjective case pronoun? We can get from the same subject that we have in the question in the beginning. So it can be written in the third person he, she, they. We can also write I, we, you, it, in case if same case of pronoun is given in the beginning of sentence. Now we need a model after subjective case pronoun. So this model is used according to the tense of first sentence. If here we have present tense, then use can or may. If here we have a past tense, then use could. If here we have a future tense, then use will or shall. Now we have an example. First, he is weak to lift this chair. So, in this sentence, we use so that. So, what we have in the beginning of sentence in the form of subject or verb, we write same subjective case or same verb form. But before using an adjective, in this sentence we have an adjective, it is we. So, before using adjective, otherwise adverb, write so. Okay, now if you have two preposition, replace this preposition by that. If you have used that in the sentence, then you need to write a subjective case pronoun. So see the subject of the first sentence. If I see the subject of first sentence, I find it is he. If it is he, I also use here he. Now, I need a model after subject. So, see the verb of first sentence. So, the verb of first sentence is and is represents to present tense. If the given sentence or before that it is in present tense, then we can use can, otherwise may in the sentence. After using model, we need to write main verb first form. So in the main verb and the form of first form, we have lift. After using main verb first form, what we have sentence, write that in the same sequence. So this is the use of so or that. Okay. Here you have to focus only use of subjective case, pronoun and modal. Except subjective case pronoun or modal, we have everything in the question. Only we don't have subjective case, pronoun and modal in the question. So one type of sentence you may have in the exam, and another sentence may be given in exam in the form of fill in the blanks. If it is in the form of fill in the blanks, then we are said to use so or that. So what type of question we can have? We can have Tamanna is intelligent that she can give answers of every question. If such type of sentence we have, and here you are said to use so or as, in case we choose so from the option, because so has a combination with that. So if that is given in the sentence, and before that we have an adjective, this is adjective, and before adjective if we have a fill in the blank, so adjective always is written after the so. So such type of question you can also have. Here you have a clue to use so, and the clue is that. So what type of question can be given in the examination? You can follow any step. So this is the video of fifth type of conjunction word. Thank you.